guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a shout out on three people with me. So today, guys, I thank you guys for all the support I've been giving me on this YouTube channel of mine. So today, the first person who is going to be giving a shout out is Olajide Enoch. Please give me a shout out. So on YouTube, but she doesn't post anything. He doesn't have any content. Remember, Olajide Enoch. Subscribe to him. That's thank you. And second person is Ugokomaya Love. Thank you so much. They are my friends. They are not my family members. Actually, they are my friends. Third person is Oluwe Mutuayo. Thank you so much. Fourth person is me. And the fifth person is my family parent. Sixth person is Felix Oluwanifemi Abayomi. Thank you. You guys to subscribe and I'll give you a shout out. Bye.